social media managing and some event planning as well. This is my 2000 Mazda Miata NV. It's a special edition. I got this car in April and I've done quite a bit to it. I put a 6-speed transmission in it, a new clutch, and then I obviously don't have a front bumper. I did have a fiberglass bumper and my car is lowered, so it did end up cracking. I'm planning on getting a bash bar or a KBD bumper. And then I also have a rear aftermarket bumper as well. So originally it was a burgundy color, which comes with the special edition. So I wrapped it pink to fit my style a little bit more. I added this livery on the side. We did the mirrors. I got a new soft top. Restored the headlights. I got it on bigger wheels. I also cut off the muffler and the resonator and put some Hart exhaust tips on as well. And then on the interior, I have a quick release. I'm slowly converting it to black from the original stock tan. I have a custom dash mat and some other custom goodies in there as well. And that's about it. I love this car and it's a work in progress, but we're doing it.